Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good. Let me introduce myself. I am Masrat Afshan, high school teacher and junior lecturer at Ahliabad High School and Junior College. Today I am here to teach you English of class 8th. Why don't you ask Vimala to write? Or doesn't she get any time to write? What did she ask? Okay, I can believe that you might be busy, but why don't Vimala writes the letter? Why don't Vimala writes the letter? Either she don't get time. Okay. What are you mumbling over there? Amma said loudly. Now again Amma interrupted by saying, what are you mumbling over there? What is the meaning of mumbling? Mumbling is speaking unclearly. Okay. So her Amma, Kamala's Amma interrupted by saying, what are you mumbling over there? I heard somebody coming in a car. Who is it? Again the same question, right? I heard somebody coming in the car. Who is it? I told you it's Gopi. Fine, replied Kamala. So when Amma again asked, who is coming? Who has came in the car? So again Kamala replied, I told you it's Gopi. Then see what Amma replied, but Gopi is in Delhi, isn't he? Right? Again she started saying, but he is in Delhi now. How come he is here? Yes Amma, it's me. I have come from Delhi. So what did Gopi said? Yes Amma, it's me only. I have come from Delhi. Who did Gopi marry? Amma said suddenly, lowering her voice. I mean, what's his wife's name? The fact is, she already knows that. But because of her old age, she forgot. That is what the reason. Again she was asking, who did Gopi marry? Fine. What was the name of Gopi's wife? Don't say you have forgotten her name too. Don't you remember Vimala, district collector Nambiar's eldest daughter, Gopi's sister said. Now what Gopi's sister? Who was Gopi's sister? Kamala. What did Kamala said? Don't say that you have forgotten her name too. Whose name? Gopi's wife Vimala's name. Fine. Don't say that you have forgotten Vimala's name also. Don't you remember? Her name is Vimala. She is the daughter of district collector Nambiar's. Fine. District collector Nambiar's eldest daughter. Fine. Who said this word? Gopi's sister. That is Kamala. Then Amma replied, oh, I forgot the name. Was there a letter from Gopi today? Again the same question. So what she said? I forgot her name. But anyway, was there any letter from Gopi today? Annoyingly, Kamala replies, there was. He writes every day. Now she didn't say that Gopi is here. She replied that yes, there was a letter from Gopi and he writes every day. Okay. I am terribly upset if I don't get a letter from him every day. He knows it. That's why he writes every day. So what? She continues to speak and she says, I am terribly upset if I don't get a letter from him every day. So when Kamala's mother asked, did Gopi wrote today? Then she replied that yes, he writes me today even. He writes me every day because he knows that if he don't write, then I will be very upset. Fine. Look at the way she talks. Gopi's sister turned to him. Now what Gopi's sister did? She turned to Gopi. It means that Kamala turned to Gopi and said, look at the way she is behaving. Look at the way she is talking. Just as I told you, you know nothing about what is going on here. Do you? So what she is saying now? She is explaining the situation of her mother. You don't know anything. Fine, you have no idea, right, that we are in what condition. Who is that? Amma said again. Who is that in a car? Again, Amma interrupted by saying, who is that? Who is there inside the car? And again the same question. It's me, Gopi said. I had to come to Thiruvananthapuram. I thought I should drop in to see you, Amma. What he said? Amma, it's me, Gopi. Who said these words? Gopi, right? Kamala's brother. He said, I had to come to Thiruvananthapuram. As we have discussed earlier, he said that he was supposed to attend a meeting in Thiruvananthapuram. So he is saying that he thought of meeting Amma. Who is your Amma? What is her name? Where does she live? Is it far from here? So these were all the questions asked by Gopi's mother to Gopi. What was her questions? Who is your Amma? What is the answer for this? She herself was the mother of the Gopi. What is her name? Where does she live? Is it far from here? So these were all the questions. So what did Gopi replied? No, it is quite near. He was having no option, right? Because anyway she will forget. That is what the reason he said, no, it is very near to this place. I don't know how I can bring back her memory, Gopi's sister said to him exasperatedly. So what she said now? Now Gopi's sister, what she said? I don't know how I can bring her memory. Okay. Gopi placed his briefcase on the tinna. What is the meaning of tinna? Tinna is an elevated place that will be in veranda, as we have discussed earlier, and exasperatedly means annoyingly. Fine. Gopi placed his briefcase on the tinna. He opened it and pulled out the contents. What were the contents that was there in Gopi's bag? Clothes, files, a shaving set, etc. It means that only his belongings. He did not bring anything for Kamala or her mother or Amma. Do you know my son Gopi? Amma asked him. Again she started asking questions. Fine. He is in Delhi, a government officer. He has Kesari Yogam. What is the meaning of Kesari Yogam? Kesari Yogam is well settled. It is a Malayali word. So what is Amma saying now? Do you know my son Gopi? He lives in Delhi. He is a government officer there. He has Kesari Yogam, means he is well settled in Delhi. He draws a salary of 2,500 rupees. Do you know him? Now Amma started describing Gopi. In front of whom? In front of Gopi only. Okay, let's see what he replied. He said, yes, I know him. Because as I have told you earlier, there was no other option. Anyhow, she will forget again and she will ask the same question again. So he replied, yes, I know him. Okay. Tell him to send me a blanket. As I have told you earlier, let us see what is the relation between the tattered blanket and this story. Now it comes. Tell him to send me a blanket. There is a cold mist in the mornings. If I catch cold, it doesn't leave me for a long time. So what Amma is saying to Gopi? Ask Gopi to send me a blanket, because the blanket that is there with me is tattered now. If I catch cold, it doesn't leave me for a long time, because she is very old, right? Tell him to send a blanket. Won't you? A red one. So now she is describing what kind of blanket she want. She want a red blanket. Why? Let us see. I had a blanket, the one he brought for me when he was studying in Madras. So till now she is using the blanket that was brought by Gopi only. But when he was still studying. But now as we have discussed, he is a Kesari Yogam. He is a well settled person now. So you can imagine how many years have been passed. So she was using the same blanket. It is all tattered now. What is the meaning of tattered? We have discussed earlier, tattered means torn, right? That is worn out. Okay, just a ball of knotted yarn. Tell him to send me a red blanket, will you? See how much she is craving for her son, right? What might be the condition of a mother who forgets her son's face? Just imagine how long it has been that she has saw her son's face, right? That is what the reason she is not recognizing him. Okay, and why she is asking for a blanket? Because her blanket that was brought by Gopi only before many years was now torn out. Okay, then see what Gopi replied, I will tell him. He nodded. What is the meaning of nodded? Nodded means moving his head. Okay, moving his head. Please don't forget to tell him. The mist is not good for me. Again she continues to say the same thing. Who is she referred to here? She is no other than Gopi's mother, the old lady who was sitting on a armchair. Okay, I think I will stretch myself out for a bit. I have been sitting too long in the armchair. Now after desiring for a blanket, she said that now I need little bit rest because I am sitting here for too long. I have a pain in the neck, right? It is obvious because she was very old lady, and from many hours I can say she was sitting in the same position on the armchair. So now she was feeling restless. So she said that she should stretch herself out for a bit. Okay. Gopi's sister put Amma to bed and came back to the veranda. So on hearing this, Gopi's sister put Amma to bed and came back to veranda. So on hearing the words spoken by Amma, on knowing that she was feeling restless, what Gopi's sister Kamala did? She put Amma to bed and came back to the veranda. Let's see what happened now. Again the conversation between Kamala and Gopi began. Now Kamala started asking that, you did not come to see Amma, did you? So what she said, you are not here to see Amma. There is some other reason for which you are here. Let's see her expectation is correct or not. Now Gopi replied, Delhi is too expensive. So what he replied now? Delhi is too expensive. Expensive means costly, right? You know I have 4 children to look after now. I can't make both ends meet with my salary. What is the meaning of can't make both ends meet? Means the salary he is getting is not sufficient for his family. His family in the sense he himself, his wife Vimala and their 4 kids. And one has to keep up one's status, right? It will be a great help if I can raise some money by selling my share of the family property. So what he said, that is the main reason he is here. He is there to meet Amma, right? What is the main reason behind that? To sell the share of the family property. He might be having some share in his family property, right? So he wanted to sell that. What is the reason he is saying for that? That his salary is not sufficient, so that it will be a little bit helpful to him if he sells his family share. I came to talk it over with you. So I have been here to discuss about the selling of my family share, family property share with you. Okay. You will sell your land and go away with the money. Who might be saying this? Gopi's sister Kamala. What she said? You will be selling your land and you will go away with money. I know you won't come here anymore after that. Yes, it is obvious. He is connected till now because he was having some share in the property. But if he sells that also, then why would he come here? Why would he come to meet his mother as well as sister? Right? So that is what Kamala said. Don't say that, I will come when I get time. So what did Gopi replied? Don't say like that, I will come when I get time. Okay? Your time. Who asked this question? Kamala, Gopi's sister. She asked, your time? He saw the irritation on his sister's face. So Kamala said that very annoying manner, very irritational way. Okay, so Gopi noticed the irritation on his sister Kamala's face. It took you more than 5 years to find time to come here. What Kamala said now? It took you more than 5 years. So he was there after 5 years. Okay, Amma is 83 now. So what was the age of Amma? 83 years old. Fine. So Amma is 83 now. I don't think she will pull on much longer. What is the meaning of pulling on much longer? Kamala is saying that she don't think that Amma will be alive for a long time. Amma will live for a long time because she was already 83 years old. It took you so long to visit her after the last time. So what she is saying? It took you so long to visit Amma after the last time. Now what Gopi is replying? But Amma can't remember who I am, he said, smiling feebly. Again, he was only having the complaint that Amma is not recognizing me. Amma don't remember me. But he should have the common sense. Amma is old now. Amma can only remember the people who meet her frequently. He visited her after 5 years. How come she will be able to recognize him? Right? How can she remember Gopi? But no, Gopi was having the complaint that Amma don't remember me. But you know what Kamala replied to this statement? She said, but do you remember Amma? Yes, that was a very good question asked by Kamala. Right? That was a bitter truth that Amma, okay, she was old, she was 83 years old, so she might have forgotten her son. But her son, Gopi, who was a middle-aged man, right? He only visits her Amma once in 5 years, means that is a very shameful thing we can say, right? So this is what the lesson about, okay? So in this lesson what we have learned? In this lesson we came to know about the craving of a lady, craving of an old lady for her son's love. Her desire to meet her son, right, has been beautifully mentioned, beautifully picturized in this story by our beloved great author Madhavi Kutti, or actual name of her is Kamala Das. So this was all about our lesson. We will continue in the next class.